Hi friend, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use rice water rinses in your hair wash routine to grow super long, shiny, healthy hair. So if you enjoyed, don't forget to like it and let's start. I'm going to begin this rice water wash day by taking a few minutes to clean half a cup of white rice with some water to get rid of any impurities. You can use jasmine, basmati rice, or any white rice you have at home. For thousands of years, Japanese and Chinese women have been traditionally washing their hairs in rice water to keep their hair long, shiny, black, and healthy. Rice water is extremely beneficial to hair because it contains an insane amount of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids, which all these combined strengthens, repair, and increase elasticity in your hair. So I usually do rice water rinses twice a month, sometimes 3 times a month if my hair really needs it. And for today's wash, I wanted this rinse to combine the benefits of rice water with cloves, which is another powerful hair growth herb that I really like. So now that the rice is completely clean, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of organic cloves. And because we want to extract all the benefits from the cloves and the rice in the water, we're gonna add 2 cups of water to brew the whole mixture. And now we're just gonna allow it to sit for 1 hour before we use it. After an hour, this is how the rice clove rinse looks, which by the way, it is cold, so make sure that when you use it on your hair, it's cold, not hot, and also that the mixture is completely strained before we begin the application in the shower. Before I wet my hair, I usually take a few minutes to detangle my hair and to also stimulate my scalp with this wooden comb. What I mean with stimulating is just massaging my scalp with the comb for a few minutes to increase blood flow in the hair follicles, which ultimately is going to increase product absorption. So in this case, your scalp will end up absorbing much better the rice water treatment. We have to have super clean hair before we do the rice water rinse, so I'm going to wet my hair with lukewarm water, and once my hair is completely soaked in water, I'm going to wash my hair with a hydrating sulfate-free shampoo. In this case, I'm using Shea Moisture Manuka Honey, which is my favorite drugstore shampoo ever. It's affordable and it works amazing with this treatment, especially when you do rice water rinses. I have learned that you need to avoid sulfate shampoos or any type of drying product because by nature rice water treatments can be a little bit drying if you don't use it correctly. So now I'm going to take my time to rinse the shampoo super well so that I don't have any traces of shampoo on my hair that it can potentially cause buildup afterwards. A very important rule is to never apply any treatment, rinse, or hair mask on dripping wet hair because when you do this, the product doesn't get absorbed properly in your strands. Instead, slides up the hair, which is not good. So that is why I'm towel drying my hair a little bit with a microfiber towel to get rid of the excess water. And if you don't want to do this, you can use your hands to squeeze the water. But to be honest, using the towel dry method before rinsing with rice water is going to give you a much better result at the end. Hair is ready for the rice water rinse, so all I'm gonna do is to slowly pour the mixture all over my hair and scalp. What you want to accomplish here is to water your scalp with this mixture and also to soak your strands in this rinse. Do this slowly, take some pause if you need to. Don't do the mistake that I did the first time. I poured this thing so fast that most of the rice water went on the floor, not on my hair. So to make things a little bit more easy, I try my best to only move my head to distribute the rinse so that I can cover my whole hair evenly. I hope this makes sense. And by the way, this is the first time my rice water rinse has such a nice scent. I really like it. Once I'm finished applying this mixture in my hair without rinsing, I'm going to apply a deep conditioning hair mask on the ends of my hair to moisturize, soften my strands. With the rice water rinses, I find it better to apply the hair mask or the conditioner on top of the treatment as a way to seal the protein and to add moisture back into the hair. Plus, it saves you time spent in the shower. It is important to leave this on for at least 15 minutes to allow better penetration of the treatment into the hair. So in my case, I'm gonna cover my hair with a warm microfiber towel. You can also use a shower cap, and if you have low porosity hair, using a heated cap is fully recommended. When it's time to wash off the rice water treatment, I normally do this step with cold water. I just feel like this increases the shine, volume, my scalp is less oily at the end of the week, and it just energizes myself at the end of the shower. You know, sometimes it doesn't hurt to do it. Now, I'm going to use my microfiber towel again to gently remove the excess water out of my hair in this way. I like to press the towel against my roots to get my scalp dry instead of rubbing against my root. And for the ends of my hair, I gently press with the microfiber towel, which is gonna avoid unnecessary frizz. And once my hair is not dripping wet, I'm going to wrap in this way to let the microfiber towel to absorb the extra water while I get dressed. Outside of the shower, make sure to apply a hair serum or a light oil such as argan oil to seal the moisture in. I always recommend you to do this because your hair, when it's in the process of drying, it is thirsty for moisture. So if you don't seal the moisture you already put in with conditioner or a hair mask, is going to escape, allowing the moisture on the air to get absorbed in your hair, causing frizz. So we don't want that. I always opt for air drying my hair after doing a heavy treatment like rice water. So that's what I'm doing right now, and after a few hours my hair has dried, and this is how it looks after doing a rice water rinse. I absolutely believe the rice water is the reason why my hair has stayed more resilient to breakage. It grows my hair every month. After each treatment, my roots feel stronger, my hair feels fuller. It dramatically increases my hair's shine and softness, reduces my hair shedding during the week. Another thing that I notice is how dark and clean my hair feels right now, which I think CLOVE has something to do with this. So definitely try this rice water wash if you are struggling with hair growth, or if your hair looks limp, brittle, frizzy, and lifeless. It might be a sign that your hair needs protein, and rice water rinses is a simple, affordable way to feed your hair with some good protein. Just keep in mind the rice water could be drying to some low porosity hairs. However, it can transform high porosity hair to the next level. So definitely knowing your hair porosity is gonna help you to use the best method when you apply rice water. However, no matter what type of hair you have, do not use rice water more than once a week. The entire time when I was pouring the rinse on my hair, all I was thinking was arroz con leche. It smells like arroz con leche. It's like a dessert and it is made with rice and cloves. It just smelled like that, and it just brought so many good memories, you know, when I was eating arroz con leche back then. It was so good. I really hope you guys try this out, this mixture of rice water with cloves water, and let me know in the comments below what you think, if you try it out. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura Vida.